ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
ستة وستون
66.
66.
ضمائر الملكية 1.
Possessive pronouns 1.
Possessive pronouns 1.
أنا ياء الخاص بي.
I, my.
I, my.
أنا لا أجد مفتاحي.
I can't find my key.
I can't find my key.
أنا لا أجد تذكرة سفري.
I can't find my ticket.
I can't find my ticket.
أنت كاف الخاص بك.
You, your.
You, your.
هل وجدت مفتاحك؟
Have you found your key?
Have you found your key?
هل وجدت تذكرة سفرك؟
Have you found your ticket?
Have you found your ticket?
هو هاء الخاص به.
He, his.
He, his.
هل تعرف أين مفتاحه؟
Do you know where his key is?
Do you know where his key is?
هل تعرف أين تذكرة سفره؟
Do you know where his ticket is?
Do you know where his ticket is?
هي ها الخاص بها.
She, her.
She, her.
قد ضاعت نقودها.
Her money is gone.
Her money is gone.
وقد ضاعت أيضا بطاقتها الائتمانية.
And her credit card is also gone.
And her credit card is also gone.
نحن نا الخاص بنا.
We, our.
We, our.
جدنا مريض.
Our grandfather is ill.
Our grandfather is ill.
جدتنا بعافية.
Our grandmother is healthy.
Our grandmother is healthy.
أنتم أنتن كم كن الخاص بكم بكن.
You, your.
You, your.
أين أبوكم يا أطفال؟
Children, where is your father?
Children, where is your father?
أين أمكم يا أطفال؟
Children, where is your mother?
Children, where is your mother?